We've done our toe, we've done our foot, we've done our heel, we've done the ankle. And I am now at the point that I'm just finishing off and doing that tiny little sort of edging around the top. Very simple to do. So basically I've done all my rounds of double crochet. When you get to your last round at the height that you want your sock to be, change to a smaller sized hook as detailed in the pattern, and work one round of trebles. Very simple. So I've done that. There's my row of trebles there around the top. I'm just going to join that now with a slip stitch, and I'm now going to do one more round, which is the final round. So I'm going to chain 2 and yarn over. Now what we're going to do, we're going to carry on doing trebles, but we're going to do back post and front post trebles, which are very simple to do. So I'm ready to go with my first one, and it's going to be a back post treble. So put your hook through there. In fact, actually, I think I've done a front post treble, but it doesn't really matter which order you do them in, and then work your treble. The next one is going to be the back one, so I'm going in from the back, putting the post to there, pulling through, and then working your treble. I'll show you again. So yarn over, pull your post up to the front, pull through, and work your treble. We're now going to do a back one, so pull the back post to the back and treble. Another front one, another back one, taking the post to the back, front post, back post, and you just keep doing that all the way around. So alternate between the front and the back, post treble all the way around, and I will see you back when we get to the end. So here we are. I've finished my final round of the top edging with your back and front post trebles, and you can just see it gives a really pretty little finish to the sock that's a little bit stretchy, so it kind of forms a rib, which is perfect. When you get to the end of the round, just slip stitch to join and finish off. And then it's just simply a matter of sewing your ends in. You could, if you wanted to, add a little bit of decoration, whether it's a bow or a pom-pom on the back, whatever you can, or whatever you like, or you can just leave them plain. But cannot recommend this pattern enough. The yarn for it is absolutely perfect, and whether you're doing a large child, these are all child sizes, whether you do large or small, they hook up so quickly. And the other thing, which I just want to show you, is how much of the pixel yarn I have left. So definitely easily enough for 1 pair per ball, possibly even 2. That's it. Happy sock making!